At American Friction Welding, we're not just built to weld, we're engineered to perform. As a US-based production manufacturer, we deliver high-integrity, precision components where structural strength and repeatability are non-negotiable. Friction welding isn't a sideline for us, it's our foundation. Founded in 1986, AFW has remained solely focused on this process, building deep expertise and a culture of excellence. Our team of weld engineers, machinists, and quality professionals takes pride in doing things right, on time and every time, assuring the highest in craftsmanship standards. We're not a machine builder with a side shop. We're your production partner, and friction welding is not secondary to us. It is our business. Our core focus? The production of friction welded components. Strategically located in Waukesha, Wisconsin, with dedicated production cells, climate-controlled quality labs, and dock-to-dock efficiency, we're built for serious manufacturing. Our facilities offer easy central access to major logistics corridors, making high-mix, mid-volume production scalable and reliable. Our manufacturing facilities also feature state-of-the-art machine cells, unparalleled quality assurance systems, and efficient logistics and shipping lanes. At American Friction Welding, we stand for performance, precision, and partnership. Let us bring your toughest production challenges to life. We are engineered to perform, built to deliver. We are where first-class manufacturing and friction welding join together. Visit teamafw.com or contact us to start your next project today.